Most people use Fetch Rewards completely wrong and leave thousands of points on the table every year. Here's the truth no one tells you. The biggest rewards don't come from simply scanning random receipts. They come from using a few smart strategies that most users never take advantage of. In this video, you'll learn the best ways to earn more on Fetch Rewards in 2026, how to maximize your points, and which methods deliver the biggest results with the least effort. Let's jump right in. The first and most important strategy is simple. Scan every eligible receipt. Many people only scan grocery receipts. That's a mistake. Fetch Rewards often accepts receipts from a wide range of stores, restaurants, convenience stores, and retail purchases. Even small purchases can add up over time. For example, Alex scans just 3 or 4 receipts a week. It doesn't seem like much. But over several months, those points can build into valuable gift card rewards. But here's the problem. Basic receipt scanning usually earns the minimum number of points. If you want to earn faster, focus on bonus offers. Inside the app, you'll regularly find featured brands and promotional products that offer significantly more points than standard purchases. Before shopping, spend a minute checking current offers. This simple habit can dramatically increase your earnings. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the fastest ways to earn points is by combining your normal shopping with bonus promotions. Instead of buying products randomly, look for items you already need that are currently featured in the app. This creates a small win every time you shop because you're earning extra rewards on purchases you plan to make anyway. In a minute, I'll show you a strategy many experienced users rely on. Another powerful method is taking advantage of referral bonuses when available. If friends or family are interested in the app, sharing your referral code can sometimes generate additional points once they meet the qualifying requirements. This is where most people fail. They ignore special challenges and limited-time events. Fetch Rewards occasionally runs promotions that reward users for completing specific activities. These can offer much larger point payouts than standard receipt uploads. Checking the app regularly helps you spot these opportunities before they expire. Next, stay consistent. John scans receipts only once a month and forgets half of them. Jake scans receipts immediately after shopping. Over time, Jake earns significantly more because no eligible purchases are missed. Consistency beats occasional effort every single time. Finally, keep your app updated and review new offers frequently. Promotions change regularly, and staying active gives you access to the latest earning opportunities. So, here's the takeaway. Scan every eligible receipt, focus on bonus offers, combine shopping with promotions, participate in special challenges, use referral opportunities when appropriate, and stay consistent. Follow these strategies, and you'll maximize your Fetch Rewards earnings in 2026 without changing your normal shopping habits. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite Fetch Rewards strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.